In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import slides into your Google Slides presentation seamlessly. If you're merging multiple presentations or incorporating new content, knowing how to do this efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your Google Slides presentation where you plan to add or import new slides. This might be a presentation you're currently working on, or it could be a blank canvas that you're just getting started with. Once you've got your presentation open, head over to the menu at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on File. As soon as you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Import Slides. When you click Import Slides, a dialog box will pop up with a few different options for you to choose from. Let's take a closer look at these options. First, you'll notice that you can browse through your recent Google Slides presentations. This is particularly handy if the slides you want to import aren't far from your current work. Simply scroll through and choose the presentation with the slides you're looking to add. Now, if the slides you need aren't in your recent presentations, or if they're in a different format, such as a PowerPoint file with a .pptx extension, you can also upload directly from your computer. This feature is incredibly useful when collaborating with different teams or receiving files from outside sources, ensuring your workflow is not interrupted by format barriers. After selecting your source file or presentation, you'll see the individual slides from that source displayed. Google Slides gives you a visual menu of all the slides in the chosen presentation, allowing you to select precisely which slides you want to import. There's no need to bring in everything if you only need a few specific slides. At this stage, you also have the option to keep the original theme of the imported slides. There's a checkbox labeled Keep Original Theme. Checking this ensures that the slides come into your current presentation with their existing formatting and design intact. This can be ideal if you're trying to maintain a consistent visual style from different presentations, or if the original slides have specific formatting that you want to preserve. Once you've selected all the slides you need and made a decision about their theme, it's time to finalize the process. You'll find a button that says Import Slides or something similar. Click it, and voila! The slides you selected will be seamlessly integrated into your Google Slides presentation, ready for you to tweak, reorder, or present as you see fit. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to enrich your Google Slides presentation with content from other slide decks. By following these steps, you can streamline your presentation building process and focus on what truly matters, delivering impactful and engaging content.